Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how to create strings using template rituals. Template literal. So, we've had a lot of lessons in the last previous lessons on the structuring, and we have something new today, right? So, a new feature of ES6 is template literal. This is a special type of string that makes creating complex strings, easier. Template literal allows you to create multi-line strings and to use string interpolation features to create strings. So this is how it works. So we have an object here with properties name and age, const, a greeting. Hello, my name is person.name and I am person.age years old. So console.log greeting. The console will display the strings. Hello, my name is Zodiac Hasbro. I am 56 years old, right? So a lot of things happen here. Firstly, the example uses backticks, yeah. So if you don't know where to find this on your keyboard, like on my keyboard, it's at the top left, just below the escape key. Yeah, it can be difficult to see. Just touch that key, and you will see the backtick. This is what it looks like. Okay. Not quotes, not single or double quotes to wrap the string. Secondly, notice that the string is multi-line, both in the code and in the output. This saves inserting new line within the strings. The variable syntax, okay, dollar sign, this syntax used is above is called a placeholder. Basically, you won't have to use concatenation with the operator anymore. I believe you know the concatenation. We've looked at it in the previous lesson how it works. So you won't need to use that operator here. To add variables to strings, you just drop a variable in a template string and wrap it in this dollar sign curly braces. Similarly, you can include other expression in your string literal, for example, a plus b. This new way of creating strings gives you more flexibility to create robust strings. Use template literal syntax with backticks to create an array of list elements, li strings. Okay, so we are asked here to use the template literal syntax with backticks to create an array of list elements. That's li. Each element text should be one of the array elements from the failure property on the result object and have a class attribute with the value text warning. The make list function should return the array of list item string. So we use an iterator method, any kind of loop to get the desired output shown below. So const result equals to this. So so let's look at this again. Each list element text should be one of the array elements from this shouldn't be difficult. So we asked to only change the line below this line, and we have a an array here, an empty array failure items. Yeah, we need all this showing. So we have another array up here, or an object here with success, failure, skipped. In here we have max length. Should be one. Each list element text should be one of the array elements from the failure property. Okay, we're using just a failure property on the result. on the result object. All right, okay. And have a class attribute with the value. Okay, text warning. The make list function should return. Okay, so let's just create an array and put all this in it. Let's see failure. Okay, there are actually three. So let's try out a for loop equal to zero. I is less than equal to two, right? Or less than three. I plus plus. So we have failure items dot push. Oh gosh, let me just copy this. I don't have to stress myself when the technology age. So this text warning should be permanent, right? Right? It's constant, not permanent. Then this is the variable, and we're just going to use the this method to put in this variable. Call it failure. Oh, I have to find a way to get this failure. Okay, let's just use. That's kind of redundant. Okay, let's do it first. Okay, it's not a bad idea. Result dot failure. Result of failure, and it's gonna for this. It's gonna move throughout the array. So let's use I. Right? And I believe we are good to go. Failure items are pushed. This. So let's do console.log. What's it called? Failures list, because the failures list is the variable that holds the make list function, and that this function returns these failure items. So let's console.log failures list and see what we have. Is it similar to what we have here? We have a like last text one, no var key var on top and line break. Okay, I think we're good to go. That was quite easy. Actually, this is not a bad idea, right? I was thinking of a way to make it look simpler, probably the structuring it, but it's actually not necessary since we're not using it in a lot of places. We're not calling result dot this, result dot that, result dot this, but this is how it would have looked if I had chosen to destructure it. It's an object, so we use curly braces. Call to result. Yeah, and we still have the same result, the same output. So let's run our test and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.